Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this short demonstration, where I will show how using Kovair DevOps, organizations can leverage the benefit of pay-per-use model of cloud and do some cost savings. For today's demo, we are considering a scenario where after the developers check in their code in the SCM tool like GitHub, an EC2 instance of AWS will be turned on. Once turned on, a build will be performed and the build files will be moved to a AWS S3 bucket. Once moved, the EC2 instance will be destroyed. This way, organizations will not need the EC2 instance to run constantly. Instead, they can be turned on or off as and when required. Next, the build files will be deployed onto a staging server through custom commands on which test automation scripts written in Selenium will be executed. If the test is successful, then the application files will be deployed in production instance, which in this case is a Kubernetes cluster. Once production deployment is successful, other stakeholders will be notified through a Slack feedback channel. With this, let me log into the Kovair DevOps platform with a valid credential. Kovair DevOps is offered on a browser-based interface and provides a task-based CI/CD pipeline. Upon login, user lands into the list page showing all configured pipelines. Kovair DevOps enables organizations to configure the pipeline in a low-code, no-code manner using mouse clicks. Before going into how CI/CD pipeline can be configured in Kovair DevOps, let me show you the execution of an existing pipeline showcasing the scenario I mentioned few minutes back. Let me get into the cloud provisioning pipeline for this. As I have described the demo flow earlier, the first task will check out the code from GitHub, and then will provision an EC2 instance using Terraform for the build. Once the build is done using Maven, the build files will be moved to S3 bucket, and the EC2 instance will be destroyed, followed by the other steps as mentioned earlier. Let me now go ahead and execute the pipeline. Once the pipeline starts executing, we can view the progress of the execution from the pipeline console window. To show that the EC2 instance has been created, let me pause the pipeline and take you to AWS. As you can see here, an EC2 instance is getting displayed. If you scroll to the right, then from the value of launch time field, it can be confirmed that this EC2 instance just got created now. So let me now start the pipeline again. The other tasks are getting executed. Let me go to the console and see the progress of the pipeline. Once the destroy task is complete after the apply task, at this junction, I will again pause the pipeline to show you the EC2 instance has been destroyed and the build files has been moved to S3 storage. Let me go back to AWS and show you the same. As you can see over here, the EC2 instance has been destroyed and the file has been moved to S3 bucket. Now let me again go to pipeline and resume the pipeline. So this is how Kovair DevOps helps organizations to leverage the benefit of pay-per-use model of cloud and save some cost with respect to their cloud implementation. With this, my demo comes to an end. Thank you for watching. To know more about Kovair DevOps, visit our website www.kovair.com or contact us at sales@kovair.com.